Hello, my name is Qian, and I'm currently a group leader in the University of Leeds. My group is aiming to study the DNA damage response and repair pathway. I'm lucky to be awarded by the Biochemical Society for the Early Career Award in 2019 for signaling, and I'm going to present my results in the Life Science 2019. I'm working with the particular type of DNA damage called double-strand breaks. It is one of the most toxic DNA damage in our cell. So double-strand breaks can be generated by external and internal sources. For example, it can be generated by ionized radiation. But at the same time, double-strand breaks was generated purposely in our cell to be able to mediate specific cellular function. And more recently, double-strand breaks is also part of genome editing process by CRISPR-Cas9. My big picture is to be able to answer how DNA is repaired. If we know how it works, can we actually to manipulate it or to develop future drug and therapy? It is a perfect field to combine in basic research to understand fundamental mechanism in our cell, and together with my personal obsession to be able to visualizing them using structural biology as a tool.